The weekend is here and another adventure awaits. We're currently in search of camp for the evening as we have an additional four-legged family member joining us for his very first overnight trip. Okay, round two, guys. We got out of the clouds from our prior spot. It was a bit windy and actually kind of chilly up there, even for middle of July. So we headed down in elevation. We're about 3,600 feet, and we found Plan B for tonight on where we'll be staying. Nice little area, nice and secluded. The only way in is down that long road here behind me, so we won't have any passing by of traffic noise, which is nice, and hardly anybody out here anyway. But the views are nice back over here. We actually have some decent quality views as opposed to being socked in from the clouds like before. So hopefully maybe we'll see if we can catch somewhat of a sunset, and maybe tomorrow morning we'll catch a nice sunrise. But we'll call this home for tonight, get camp set up, get some dinner made, and just relax. So I do have one individual that I want you guys to say hello to. If you all remember, we got a new puppy. His name is Stanley, and today is his first camping trip. So we wanted to bring him out here, get him used to being in the truck, get him used to camping and being outdoors. So let's go say hi to him. Here he goes. Hi, buddy. Hi. Can you say hi to everybody? Can you say hi? Hi to all the Conquest Overland people. What's up? So this is Stanley, for those of you who are just tuning in. But he's about 4 months old, and we're taking him out for his little first camping trip. And it's actually kind of cool out. It's about 50 degrees, and he's still getting acclimated, so we got him in the truck with the heat on until we get ready. But we're pretty excited to have a first night out. Being that we got into camp rather late in the evening, we decided to take in the views with the last bit of light for the day. So guys, as we're getting ready to set up camp and get our tent all set up and everything, we realized that we forgot a few key items. Both of our faults, actually, so no blame put on anybody. For myself, if you guys watched the last episode, I have relied on using our Yeti Goal Zero portable little generator to inflate our air mattress for the tent. I forgot that. I also forgot the manual foot pump to do that as well. And with the decked drawer systems that's in the back, I can't access the plug that's in the bed of the Tacoma. So 3 strikes and I'm out on that one. What'd you forget?
The sleeping bags.
And the sleeping bags.
And my pillow.
Let's see, we're up to what, 3, 4?
Sleeping bags, pillow, the Go Zero, or the foot pump. That's like a half.
That's pretty good. And blankets. We forgot those too, because it's actually going to get pretty cold tonight.
But I remembered everything for Stanley.
Oh, yeah. He's little guy,
good.
Come here, come show everybody your face. He's more than good. We have toys, food, snacks, treats, hoodies, shirts,
sweaters,
everything we could possibly need
wipes
for his first camping trip. It's I don't know how many, and we forgot the essentials. So with that, obviously setting up any type of ground tent is not going to work. So we might do it first. We're probably just going to sleep in the truck. Why not? We'll just lay the seats back. He's got his little kennel on the back, and we'll probably call that good. So we'll see what happens. Hi, Stan. We're sorry that your first camping trip wasn't really camping. More like a drive-in the truck and camp. We'll make it up to you. It'll still be fun. Yes. Yeah, I know. Shame on me. This is the face I get when forgetting things. Fast forward to about 3 in the morning, on and off sleeping, and someone needing to go potty. We were all wide awake and decided to head back to our original spot that was socked in the clouds from earlier in the day. Reason being is this spot, on a clear day, holds a fantastic view of Mount Rainier, and we hoped for a beautiful sunrise to wake up to. So we got our blanket, which was nice and comfortable. Green is definitely not feeling it 100%. But, hey, we were warm. Definitely not the most comfortable night, but hands down one of the most comical. Great memories to remember back and laugh on. What did turn out to be a success was our overnight move to witness Rainier at sunrise. We ended up with some spectacular views as we emerged from the truck. So for today's agenda, we really don't have one. We're just kind of winging it as we go along. This morning, we didn't really have a camp to break down since we spent the night inside the truck with our forgotten air mattress and other camping necessities. So we actually entered into Mount Rainier National Park, and we're on track to go up to sunrise just to kind of hang out, take in the views. It's a beautiful blue sky day, so we just wanted to get back in the park since it's been a while and just kind of see what it's all like. And we're currently in a huge line to get in through the ranger station, but again, we don't really have any set agenda, so it's not too big of a deal.
Just mosey about, enjoy the park.
Exactly. So we'll see what the day brings, but let's have some fun. After making our way into the park, we headed along the Sunrise Road, which follows the beautiful White River. If you continue, you'll run into the White River Campground, which offers great access to hiking. Among revisiting many favorite spots, we decided to make way towards the Sunrise Visitor Center at 6,400 feet in elevation, of which is the highest point in the park you can drive. This area offers stunning, up-close views that almost feel as if you can reach out and touch. After hanging out in the park most of the day, we came to a decision that spending another night in the Tacoma was not in our cards. We opted to stay a little later to catch sunset before making our way back home. Thank you all so much for your support. Until next time, safe travels.